Hello, and thank you for your interest in our complete and best-in-class barcode inventory system and asset tracking solution. We're proud to be ranked amongst the top 10 innovative inventory systems for 2019. In this video, we'll discuss the newest addition to our inventory system and asset tracking solution. As technology evolves, visual enhancements are necessary to remain in tune with the advancements in the technological world. However, as market leaders and innovators, we don't just stop at designing new intuitive forms, but we also added functionality to all our inventory and asset tracking forms to reduce the number of clicks needed to navigate through the data grids. Along with these enhancements, we added dynamic graphs to provide summaries and quick access to live data. Users can click on some of these graphs and get more detailed information. For example, the dynamic graphs for the edit mode of stock forms will illustrate information including stock ID, stock quantity, number of POs, and number of locations. In a second example, the dynamic graphs for the edit mode of the asset form will display an image of the asset, state who the custodian is, its checked out status, locations, and how many days are left under the warranty. And if it's past due, the circle turns red to show how many days the asset is past due its warranty. As an added benefit, users will maintain the ability to switch between the old and new layout, offering a transition period for users to become more familiar with the new enhancements. We at ASAP Systems aim to provide our customers with the latest innovations and technologies while maintaining the ease of use and flexibility. We constantly seek to update and enhance our features to accommodate our customers' needs and requirements. Stay tuned for our latest enhancements by having a more in-depth demonstration.